Hey, how we doing?
Good.
Hey. Right, let's get right into it then. Room 5, Sure We Loved. Beauty queen of only 18, she has some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her. She always belonged to someone else. And I drove for miles and miles, and I wound up at your door. And I've had you so many times, but somehow I want more. I don't mind spending every day out on your corner in the pouring rain. Look for the girl with the broken smile and ask her if she wants to stay a while. And she will be loved, and she will be loved. Tap on my window, you can knock on my door. I wanna make you feel beautiful. I know I tend to get so insecure. It doesn't matter made a pact. Sometimes when I miss you, I put those records on. Ooh. And someone said you had your tattoo removed. I saw you downtown singing the blues. It's time to face the music. I'm no longer your muse. And in another life, I would be your girl. And we keep all our promises because it gets so much. And in another life, I will make you stay. So I don't have to say you were the one that got away. The one that got away. The one. And all this money can't buy me a time machine. And no, I can't replace you with a million rings. And no. And I should have told you what you made to me. No. 'Cause now I pay the price. In another life, I would be your girl. We keep all our promises because it gets so much. In another life, I will make you stay. So I don't have to say you were the one that got away. The one that got away. The one that got away.
Hey!
You got a lot of nerve coming here when I'm still with him, and I can't have you. It isn't fair. On March of '86, my birthday's coming. And if I had one wish, yeah, you'd be it. And when you're around, I lose myself inside your mouth. You've got brown eyes like no one else. And baby, make it to me again and again, again, again and again, again. Never stop again and again, again and again, again. Never stop. Oh, he never really saw me or waited when we were hooking up. No, he never. Last week when I was sad, you said that you